Are you looking for the best travel cribs? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best travel cribs on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Maxi-Cosi Swift Playard. Ultra lightweight and portable, this crib is a cinch to move from room to room, including when fully assembled. It's super simple to set up alone, too, taking only 2 to 3 minutes to put together or break down. We were also impressed by the sleek, streamlined design that felt sturdy and stable in our tests with an aesthetically pleasing look. The addition of a bassinet for newborns makes it a wise long-term investment that's ready to use from birth into toddlerhood. On that note, the mattress has a 2-stage design with a firmer side for babies and the bassinet, and a slightly softer option for older kids. With a weight of 18 pounds, it's lightweight enough for travel and folds down to a nice, compact shape that fits inside an included travel bag. The details: 33.07 by 41.73 by 41.73 inches, assembled, 30.71 by 9.84 by 9.84 inches, packed, 18 pounds, 15-pound weight limit for bassinet, 35-inch height limit for Playard. Number 2. Chicco Alfa Lite Lightweight Travel Playard. A Playard is another word for a safe sleeping space that can double as a play area, and this is undoubtedly one of the best travel options we tried. The intuitive snap-open design took us only 3 minutes to assemble and less than 1 to break down. With a weight of just 13 pounds, it's easy to carry in the included bag or move around a room. It's also extremely durable. We've been testing this crib consistently since 2022 and it continues to score highly across all categories, holding up well to long-term use without signs of wear or tear. We're also big fans of the safety features. The mattress buckles to the underside of the crib so it won't move around or be lifted up by a child, and one side of the crib has a zippered opening that can also be locked from the outside with a buckle. This is a must if leaving a child alone at nap time. The details: 43 by 29 by 25 inches, assembled, 21 by 9.5 by 9.5 inches, packed, 13 pounds, 30-pound weight limit. Number 3. Silver Cross Slumber Travel Crib. A bassinet, crib, and playpen all in one, this travel crib includes a carrying bag, a newborn insert, and has a full side panel zipper opening. With so many features, it's well suited for both the infant days and far beyond. To that end, we tried it out with a 1-year-old and a 3.5-year-old, and both children enjoyed its roomy design. During our tests, we thought the entire crib felt sturdy and safe for sleep or playtime, and the legs lock in place nicely. Even with a child crawling around inside, it won't move or budge. We found the material to be of high quality as well, and following our testing period, no stains or scratches were apparent. At 15 pounds, it's lightweight to carry, too. The details: 44 by 31.5 by 26.4 inches, assembled, 35 by 13.4 by 6.7 inches, packed, 15.2 pounds, 4 to 6 month age limit for bassinet, 50-pound weight limit for Playard. Number 4. BabyBjörn Travel Crib Lite. With a weight of just 13 pounds, this crib is extremely travel-friendly with its compact shape and double-strap carrying bag. The crib sets up swiftly in one motion, and took us just around a minute or so to assemble in our tests. It includes a thin yet firm mattress pad that we thought was roomy enough for a 6-month-old, and we appreciated that it fills the interior crib space without leaving gaps. Strap loops are also available to hold the mattress in place, which we thought were easy to secure. The frame is high quality as well, with a durable, sturdy shape that withstood nicks or dings when we nudged it around during the testing period. All locking mechanisms are easy to engage too, and it stays nicely secure whether on carpet or vinyl plank flooring. The details: 44 by 32 by 24 inches, open, 23.5 by 19 by 5.5 inches, packed, 13 pounds, there is no weight limit, this is for use until age 3 or your child can climb out. Number 5. Bugaboo Stardust Playard. While all of the Playards on this list come together quickly, it's a requirement of being included, After all, this might be the most impressive when it comes to assembly speed. The innovative one-piece design crib pops open and shut in 2 seconds, even when doing so yourself. When it folds down, it measures just over 5 inches wide, taking up minimal room whether it's packed for travel or stored away in a closet between trips. The mattress is thin, but we thought that it provided ample padding, and it fills the entire crib without gaps. The crib also includes a zip-in bassinet that we thought was easy to attach and use, and were impressed by how steady it held without shifting or jostling around. The anti-tip feet that pop onto the bottom for added stability really help with this, too. The details: 38.8 by 33.8 by 25 inches, assembled, 33.8 by 25 by 5.5 inches, packed, 16.7 pounds, 19.8 pound weight limit for bassinet, 33 pound weight limit or 35-inch height limit for Playard.